So in today's video, we are going to learn how we can use the land array function in Microsoft Excel. This is a type of function which helps to generate a random number of values starting from the initial value up to the maximum set number of value. So first and foremost, I'm going to select one of the cell which I'm going to use to input my function. So and that cell is going to be B4. So I go ahead and put equal sign. Equal sign will tell Excel that I want to do a calculation. So from there, I'll go ahead and type the function name, which is rand array. As you can see, the rand array will return the number of random values. So from here, I have to put the number of rows inside the bracket. These are the number of rows that is going to contain the random values generated. Then I also have to put the number of columns. I can put 14 columns, and then what's going to be the minimum value? I can start from 5, and what's going to be the maximum value? I can go up to 1,000. After putting the minimum and the maximum, then I have to choose either to be a decimal or integer. So you can either use true or false. If you don't want any decimal number, you can just go and type true, and then from there you close the bracket. Once each and everything is done, now this function is going to generate numbers from that start from 5 up to 1,000. All the numbers will be generated and they will be pressed in these columns and rows. So let's go ahead and press enter. When you press enter, you can see all the numbers have been generated. So thank you guys. Let's catch up in the next video. Go and try this function and see how it works.